Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the layer so you can always undo non-destructive edits. Then pick the magic wand tool and set tolerance between 20 and 40. This controls how many similar colors are included. Make sure contiguous is on if you want only touching areas. Turn it off to capture every similar tone across the whole image. Once done, click a target area. The tool highlights matching pixels. If the selection misses bits, don't panic, refine it next. Continue by refining the selection. Hold Shift or choose Add Mode to include more areas, or Alt/Subtract to remove spillover. Increase or decrease tolerance in small increments of 5-10 to avoid over or under-selecting. This is how you control edge accuracy. Once roughly correct, feather by 0. 5 to 3 pixels to avoid hard, jagged borders, and use Refine Edge or Select and Mask to treat hair and fine details. Finish by converting the selection into a layer mask so you can edit non-destructively. Paint the mask with black to hide or white to reveal pixels. If you see color fringing, use a small brush with clone or spot healing sampled from adjacent areas to clean the edge. If edges remain problematic, deselect and retry with a lower tolerance or switch to the polygonal lasso for mixed backgrounds where automatic selection fails. One quick tip: temporarily shift zoom to spot remaining artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.